Okay, boys and girls. So in this video, I'm going to explain this. I'm going to explain how to solve these three problems using the factorization method. Okay. So problem number one: x squared plus 6x plus 5 is equal to what? To 0. Okay, we want to solve this what? This quadratic equation. What is to solve an equation? To solve an equation to solve an equation is to find the value of the unknown. Is to find the value of what? Of the unknown. So you are supposed to find the values of x which satisfies this what? Which satisfies this equation. Okay, if you check in this case, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6, and c is equal to 5. This is what I explained in the previous video. A is the coefficient of x squared, which is 1. B, the coefficient of x, which is 6. And C is the constant term, which is 5. Okay, so we want to solve this problem. How are we going to solve this? This is x squared plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. So you multiply x squared and 5. Okay, so x squared times 5, what are you going to get? You are going to get 5x squared. Okay, the next step, this is the first step. So step number 2, you find two factors of what? Of 5x squared. If you multiply the numbers, you are supposed to get 5x squared. And if you add the numbers, you are supposed to get 6x. If you multiply the two numbers, you are supposed to get 5x squared. And if you add the two numbers, you are supposed to get this 6x. If you check 5x and x, if you say 5x multiplied by x, what is the answer? The answer is 5x squared. And if you say 5x plus x, what is the answer? The answer is 6x. So I am going to replace this 6x with 5x and what? And x. So now I have x squared plus 5x plus x plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. You check the common factor, you check the common thing in the first two terms. This is the first term and this is the second term. If you check here, x is there, x is also there. So you factor out x. So you remain with x plus 5. Here we are. Okay, plus. If you check here, the common factor is 1. So we are going to factor out 1. So you are going to remain with x plus 5, which is equal to 0. Now, this is x multiplied by this plus 1 multiplied by this is equal to 0. Now, the common factor is x plus 5. You factor out x plus 5. X plus 5 multiplied by x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So if this multiplied by this is equal to 0, it means one of these two terms is equal to 0. So either x plus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to negative 5 or x is equal to negative 1. So x is equal to negative 5, negative 1. So this is the solution of this question. So I am going to explain how to solve this problem in the second video. Okay, thank you.